Can we talk about pate? My ideal pate is one that is creamy, fragrant, and smooth. It has just the right balance of liver and meat. Whenever I have a fresh baguette made, it is mandatory I have a homemade pork pate to go with it. Just sprinkle some fried shallots and you're good to go. Sabadi Pinong, hi fam, welcome back to Saeng's Kitchen. Today we're making something that I love spreading on bread, and it's called pate. You are probably familiar with French pate that you put on a baguette, and so did you know that this is also eaten all over Southeast Asia? Oh, we love our pork liver. I know it may not sound appetizing right now, but once you turn it into pate, it's gonna be something so delicious, and you're gonna sprinkle a little bit of fried shallots on top, and it's gonna be perfect. So with all that, I wanna go ahead and dive in and get cooking. The first thing you wanna do is grab your pork liver and cut it up into bite-sized pieces, and then put it into a bowl and go to your sink and rinse it off a few times until the water runs clear. After that, you can drain the water off and then add all that pork liver into a bowl of milk and let that sit off to the side as we prepare all the other ingredients. Yes, this is liver. I wanted to show you all up close and personal because a lot of times you only see the final product of foods and never get to see the ingredients. So yes, this is pork liver. And also note, in Lao cuisine, we love our organ meats, a lot of different organ stews. And so this is just the beginning of what you will see soon. Organs. Let's grab a pan and put it over medium heat and let that heat up for a bit. Once it's heated, go ahead and put your butter in there and let it melt. And then you're gonna add the shallots and the garlic, and then you're gonna fry that up for about 1 minute. After that, you can go ahead and grab your ground coriander and then also your thyme, and then you're gonna also cook that for about 30 seconds to a minute. You wanna be careful and not let anything burn, so let's go ahead and grab the milk and liver mixture and add that right into the pan. And then the ground pork, seasoning sauce, sugar, salt, pepper, MSG, and then you're gonna cook this on high heat for about 8 to 10 minutes until everything is fully cooked. Let's go ahead and grab our food processor and then be very careful and add all that mixture right into the food processor. And then you're gonna pulse this a few times until you get to the consistency that you like of your pate. So for me, I like my pate very smooth, so I'm gonna pulse this until everything is creamy. Go ahead and put your mixture in a bowl, and then you're gonna melt some more butter. Once it's melted, go ahead and pour all that butter right on top of the pate. Do not mix it, you're just gonna let it sit on top, and you wanna try to do your best to evenly distribute the melted butter. And now we're pretty much done. We're gonna put our pate into the refrigerator. You're gonna let it sit for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, go ahead and take the pate out. I like my pate at room temperature, so I'm gonna let this sit out for at least 1 hour until I start spreading it on my bread. I'm gonna grab a French baguette and slice it into 1-inch sizes. I'm gonna grab a large amount of pate and spread it right on top. What I like to do is add fried shallots and sprinkle it right on top, and you are done. This is a great appetizer for parties. Everything's done. I'm gonna come right up front and eat and show you how delicious all this is. Here is the pate, and I put it on my couchie, sprinkled a little bit of fried shallots, and I'm ready to dig in. It's so good. Creamy pate on top of a perfect baguette. This is what I call lunch, dinner, breakfast, snack. I eat this anytime, it's that good. And this is gonna last you for a while, but for me, it's gonna last me probably a week because I love pate so much. I hope you all enjoyed learning how to make pate. If you have a lot of extra, go ahead and put it in the freezer and it'll last for about 3 months. Let me know in the comments below if you like pork liver pate or chicken pate, and I'll see you all next time on Saeng's Kitchen. Bye.